Have you ever talked about a specific product only to see ads for it an hour later? Actually, you're just being tracked by big tech and third-party apps that are listening into your conversation and silently harvesting your data by default. We're going to turn them all off through settings. On your device, you want to tap onto the gear icon there to go to the settings menu. Once you're here, scroll down, go to the Google section, which is this option here. Select that. You should see an option here that says all services. Select that there. Once you've selected all services, it will take you to a separate tab. You want to scroll down to where you see personalize using shared data underneath privacy and security tab and tap onto that. Once you click on personalize using shared data, it will take you to the final menu here. And now you have the potential to toggle off all these here. So just go ahead and toggle all these off. The reason for this, you are preventing your apps from sharing your data behind your back and can no longer track your device. Hit back. You want to tap onto usage and diagnostic. So go ahead and tap onto that option there. I recommend leaving it off and check this right here. Once you're done with that, just hit back. Another thing, if you want to maximize your privacy, you should also reset your advertising ID. And to do that, you want to tap onto ads right underneath privacy and security tab. So go ahead and tap onto ads option at the very top. Once you're under ads menu, you want to scroll down just a bit to locate an option that says reset advertising ID. Just click onto that option there. Once you're here, you just hit confirm. This will completely reset your advertising ID. With your advertising ID reset, you want to hit back all the way to the main settings. From there, locate and open security and privacy section, which is this option here. You then want to scroll to the bottom and then just hit on more privacy settings. Once you're under more privacy settings, tap on to send diagnostic data. This second option right here, just tap onto that. Once you're here, you want to uncheck this here and then just hit onto OK to confirm. This will uncheck the send diagnostic data option. The reason for this, you are preventing Samsung from collecting details about how you use your phone. Directly below that, you will see Android personalization service. Make sure to toggle this switch off as well. Just tap onto this switch to turn it off one more time. The reason for this, you are preventing the system from tracking your app usage. Once you're done with that, I want you to tap onto back. Once you're here, I want you to locate an option that says Android System Intelligence. So go ahead and hit onto that option there. You can now see device learning at the very top, which is the first option. The main emphasis here, we want to locate the keyboard option here. I want you to go ahead and tap onto keyboard right here. And then once you're here, I want you to uncheck the show smart text suggestion in the keyboard. So just uncheck that switch there, as this will stop the system from analyzing, caching passwords, codes, or privacy phases to generate predictions. Hit onto back. Once you're here, I want you to locate the last option. Just hit onto clear data option at the very bottom. Once you're here, just tap onto all time and then click on clear data one more time. This will erase what your device has learned. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.